Okay, hello everyone. Hope you had a wonderful summer. Welcome to the new semester. My name is Chen Chen. I'm assistant professor at the Center for Research in Computer Vision at the UCF. Here I'm going to briefly introduce my research, and hopefully, if you are interested in some of the research, feel free to contact me. My research are focused mostly in computer vision and machine learning. And here I provide a couple of highlights on my research. So for computer vision, my research focused on a couple of topics. One is the object detection and the tracking, and also action detection and recognition, and human 3D or 2D pose estimation. So this has been used in, for example, gaming and the AR, VR applications. And also image semantic segmentation. That is, you want to assign a label for each of the pixel in the image. This has been used a lot in autonomous driving and medical applications. And image restoration, so it can be image denoising, image deblurring. Right, when you take a photo, there may be some noise or blurry artifacts in the image. We want to restore the image. On the machine learning side, I'm more interested in efficient deep learning. So we know deep learning has triumphed a lot of areas, right? Computer vision, natural language processing, etc. But the success comes at the cost of extremely resource demanding. So my research is focused on how we can develop efficient deep learning models that can be applied or deployed on the edge devices with limited resource, right? Like the cell phone, smart cameras, etc. I'm also interested in robust machine learning, right? So machine learning models can be very brittle, right? So if you have some of the attackers can maliciously create some of the adversary perturbations to totally mess up the trained model to completely produce some of the garbage. Okay, so we want to prevent that. On the last is the federated learning. So this is a new machine learning paradigm that comes from the concern of the data privacy. So in a lot of real world applications, especially, we have this kind of cloud service, right? Service, users will upload the data to the cloud, and the cloud will apply the machine learning model on the data and send back the result to the user. But this, sending the data to the cloud creates the concern of data privacy. So the federated learning is a new learning paradigm that do not share the data to the server or the cloud, instead just updating the model parameters. For the course I taught, so since I joined the UCF last year, I only taught the graduate level course, medical image computing. This was offered spring semester this year. This course will most focus on deep learning for medical image processing, like tumor segmentation, anomaly detection, different organ segmentation, dealing with different image modalities like CT, MRI, etc. And this course will be offered next spring as well. So if you are interested in taking this course, you're welcome to send me email. If any questions, feel free to let me know. So speaking of the medical imaging, I also do some of the research related to medical imaging. So here I just select some of the recent work has been done for the medical imaging. So this work was published in MICAI 2019. This is for real-time brain tumor segmentation using an efficient 3D CNN network. Along the same direction, last year we proposed a new method using the transformer network, which is a new model that is able to achieve the state-of-the-art performance for the brain tumor segmentation. And this is the work for the cardio MRI image segmentation. So basically, you want to segment the cardiac MRI images. And this is the work for the malaria classification in this kind of blood smear image. So we collect a large scale data set, which is very unique for this microscopic image for the malaria classification. And we also develop an app so that, the users can, maybe take a picture of this kind of malaria image, then the software we built into the app is able to automatically detect these cells and classify what kind of stage this malaria is in. Okay. So this is just briefly kind of summarize what I talked before about this efficient and robust machine learning. So we have some of the recent work along this line. So if you are interested in to know more research, information about research, you are welcome to visit my website. And if you have any questions, please feel free to stop by my office or send me email. I'm welcome to answer any of your questions. So if you are also interested in doing research with me, I also welcome, the master student to team up with my PhD student so they can, help you to formulate some of the project if you are interested in. Okay. All right. Thank you.